This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cami Alberts. Very desirable and rarely available. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath unit is ready for you to call home. Largest townhome in community, has living room, dining room, family room, huge and laundry room. Oversized bedrooms, all upstairs with balconies. Loads of storage throughout plus 1-car garage. 2 AC units. Large primary bedroom has 2 walk-in and 1 standard closet. Primary bathroom offers dual sinks, soaking tub and separate shower. Open kitchen has newer appliances and counter seating. Relax on either the front open, courtyard or on a very private, screened, covered back patio. Centrally located, close to eateries, shopping and hospital. All age community with low HOA dues. Walk to community pool, tennis, barbecue, clubhouse and tot lot. Don't miss out on this one. For more information, review the details below.